dancehall and reggae artists have started to benefit from an international partnership which will see them collecting more royalties. For years, artists have missed out on royalty payments where their music was being played overseas. Now, this has improved significantly as Jams and PPL, a UK music license company, recently announced a closer collaboration that will widen the footprint of global royalty collections for Jamaican producers and performers internationally. In a release this week, PPL says the new partnership between the two companies will see PPL collect international revenues for Jams members across all the major music markets, as well as a wide array of territories such as Australia, South Korea, South Africa, and India. Speaking with ePrime, Jams General Manager Evan Mullings said artists have already started to see growth in international revenue.
For instance, we've seen royalties for members for Sweden, Belgium, Estonia, Ireland, as far as Poland and even South Korea. So these are territories that we are breaking into where we've never really been bringing in royalties from before. And this widened arrangement, this expanded arrangement, is facilitating the inflow of royalties for our members from these territories that are far afield.
Mr. Mullings went on to share the impact of the global pandemic on music and the move to streaming platforms.
COVID-19 has caused a massive disruption in the entertainment sector. As a collecting society and licensing body, we've seen an almost total elimination of revenues which would have typically flowed from the events market. Events have been banned for the most part since March of last year. And so that has resulted in a major impact on what we would have paid out to our members. There has been a major fall off in the royalty flows to our members as a result of this. Now, even though we have seen a transition of some events to the online space, that has certainly not made up for the loss that has happened because of the physical events that would have been taking place.
For Jams, PPL brings an expansive network of more than 100 international agreements with other pros. This will further support the growth of Jams international collections on behalf of more than 1,400 established producers and performers. Now, Cardi B is making history on the Billboard Hot 100 chart this week, becoming the first solo female rapper to reign at number 1. According to chart data, the song also became the highest debuting solo track by a female rapper on the Hot 100 charts for this century since Lauryn Hill's Doo-Wop That Thing, and that was back in 1998. Billboard.com in an article added that Cardi B's Up knocks down every current challenge on Billboard's Hot 100 R&B hip-hop songs chart for consecutive number 1 debuts after WAP featuring Megan Thee Stallion opened on top last August for a 10-week domination. Up becomes Cardi's 9th top 10 record of all time on the Hot 100 and is expected to break more records. Only going up. I'm Deidran reporting for ePrime.